cloud. Okay. You guys are comfortable with me recording your voices. Don't put your face. Okay. So we're gonna assume it's all new. We don't have any directory here. Okay, I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm sure I'm on the terminal. Okay. I'm gonna do ls. Let's pretend there's nothing. We'll do make directory mkdir. So that means create folder. So make directory, we're gonna create CS50, and now we have CS50. Let's do ls to make sure it's really there. Yes, CS50 is there. So we want to cd, which means change directory, cd into CS50. Then we want to make directory. What's the next one? We want to make labs, and then we cd into labs, and then we want to make x, no, 2023. And then we cd into 2023, and then we want to make directory x, and then we cd into x. If you get the hang of it, you're gonna do this like really quick at once and not having to be doing ls and then seeing them before you move forward. So let's do ls. There's nothing, only the x directory. So let's change directory into x. And then we'll do ls. There's nothing inside the x directory. We want to create our population directory now. So mkdir population. And then we do ls, population is there. And then we want to go into population. And we're going to do touch no, let's not create it. We're not going to create it on ourselves. If you go to the course website, week 1 and lab, then this is where it'll take you. Let me just click through it just so it's in the video. So this is week 1 C, and I'm going to scroll down to the very end, lab 1, and lab 1 is population. If we scroll down, well, not actually down, it's in the middle, you're going to see this. What it is under? It's under getting started. You're going to see this wget and then the URL. If you take this URL and come back to your code space, yeah, this is where we are. And we are still inside the population directory. And I'm going to paste this and hit enter. I want to clear the terminal. ls. Now you see we have population.c. If you do code, this one is just me being fancy. You can go to the top and then click and open it, but this is just easier all with the keyboard. So if you do code population, then you have it open. And then now you can do all the tricks you want. For example, let's do I think I might have just created population twice, or maybe the new one just replaced the older one. No. Okay, this is all new. My bad. Trying to confuse myself. Okay, if you open it, now you can see what all that's inside it. If we try to compile this code, there's nothing inside here that would actually run, because these are all comments. If I try to make this one, if I try to make it and run it, make population, okay, it will compile because the main function is there. So, but if I do /population, we're not supposed to see anything. Yeah, because we're not doing anything and we are not printing anything out. But as soon as I do this test, printf, let's printf, let's say testing population, testing population is enough. And I'm going to come back and recompile. So make population, okay, it's an error. I don't have the semicolon after the line. Make population, hit enter, and then /population. What is my fingers? Now I can see what we printed has printed out. So it's compiling with the make and it's running when you do the /. So it is the file, it's the directory structure, I think. I wish your screen, your team could share well, and then we could have seen. But I'm gonna get this video and send it to you, or post it on YouTube and send you the link. And then you can go through it step by step and then make sure you're in the right directory and try to run your code and see. Since you already have your code, if you get to this point, then you can just highlight all of this, delete it and paste your code and try to get it to run. Or if you want, you can leave this and then just look at your code and then just, plug in whatever code it is to get it to run. But
okay,
my hope is that this will fix it. If it doesn't, just take screenshots of the problems you have and put it in a group, and I'll try to help you fix it.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem at all. I'm gonna stop the sharing now and go and close out. Where is my